So before you can actually review data from your client, you need to have them connect their Oura Ring account to Heads Up. Ideally, they've already got the Oura Ring, they've downloaded the Oura app, they've paired the Ring to the Oura app. The last step then is to link the Oura account to Heads Up. So the way they do that is first of all, make sure the client is in your organization and make sure that they can log in to their instance of Heads Up that you've provided them with. And when the client logs in, this is the client view, they're going to see their dashboard here. And you're just going to navigate them to the Connect Data folder, Connect Devices and Apps. Just have them click on Oura. Once they click on Oura, it will ask them for their username and password. It will ask them to authenticate. Once they establish the connection, you'll then be able to choose Oura from the list of available metrics here. And you can see now that Oura is connected, I can start changing these and it'll start to display the data from Oura. You can also add additional metrics from Oura onto the dashboard. So I may want to add the sleep score, for example, onto the dashboard. And then working with that client, you can personalize the dashboard to show the metrics that they care about. So I may want to move that right up here, front and center. So that's it for connection. They can also connect Oura from the Heads Up mobile app. They sign in on the Heads Up app just the same way they do on the web. And there's an option in the mobile app, very similar workflow. They just tap on Oura, provide their username and password. Once the data is updated on the dashboard, you'll be able to start reviewing it in the Heads Up system. And then in the rest of the videos in this course, we'll show you all the different ways you can review the data in clinical practice. But the first step is make sure the Ring is connected. You'll know if it's connected when you come into Connect Data. You'll see that there's the check mark on the Ring. You'll also see when you click on their name in the Heads Up Practitioner view here on their Profile tab, you'll see Oura connected here. So that's how you know it's actually connected. That's the first step in the process. Any questions with connection issues, just shoot us an email, support@headsuphealth.com. Thanks.